Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the cells that contain formulas you want to keep as results. Once selected, press Ctrl+C or choose Copy from the ribbon to load them into the clipboard. Make sure the sheet isn't protected and that dependent ranges aren't locked because you'll overwrite formulas. This step captures the current calculated values. While the clipboard holds the formulas, prepare the destination area. Use the same cells if you intend to replace formulas with values in place. Next, replace formulas with their evaluated values. Right-click the same selection and pick Paste Special Then Values, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-E-S-V to do it quickly. This pastes only computed numbers and strips out the formulas, preserving formatting if you select values and number formats. Once done, inspect key cells to ensure results match expectations and that relative references no longer update. If everything looks correct, clear the clipboard to avoid accidental pastes elsewhere. To finish, decide whether to overwrite originals or keep a backup copy on another sheet. If preserving formulas matters, copy to a different sheet first and paste values there. Make sure to save your workbook after verifying results. If values look wrong, press Ctrl+Z immediately to revert and check calculation mode under Formulas. Automatic versus manual can change displayed numbers. Also, confirm links to external workbooks are available. Broken links can make values appear incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.